welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Iyanu B and I'm back with a new video. So firstly, I just want to put this out there. I am in no way a fashion expert, so this is just my own opinion with some research that I've done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So today I'm going to be talking about 6 fashion essentials you need in your closet, and yes, I mean need. I'm also gonna be giving you guys tips and tricks on how you can style them, so make sure you stay all the way to the end to get the juicy detail. So these fashion trends won't go out of fashion throughout the whole year, which is why I suggest you pick them up if you haven't already, but after the current situation, of course. The first fashion essential is a blazer. A blazer can take your outfit from looking good to elegant and stylish, which is ultimately what we want in 2020, because I know, sis, you're trying to slay and 2020 is the year for slaying, so I've got you covered. Now you're probably wondering, why should you own a blazer? You should own a blazer because you can either dress it up or you can dress it down. Now if you're not looking for that formal type of look and you're looking to dress your blazer down, I've got just the thing for you. Try pairing your blazer along with some jeans or leggings and some cool sneakers. This will give you a look at that edge and not make you look too formal while wearing a blazer. So let's say you're going out for dinner and you don't know what to do with that old boring blazer hanging in your closet. Well, I've got just the thing for you. Try swapping out your sneakers with a pair of high heels and try adding a wide belt around your waist, which will ultimately accentuate your waist and make you look slimmer, because I know you're trying to snatch your waist, sis. So if you do that, you're gonna have a snatched waist. Blazers come in many different styles, shapes and sizes, so there's something for everyone, depending on where you're going to and the look you're going for. Ultimately making a blazer a very versatile piece of clothing you should have in your closet. So the second fashion essential is a pair of ankle boots. Personally, I would suggest you get a black pair because they go with almost everything despite the seasonal changes. Ankle boots are not only practical, but they're also comfortable and stylish. Depending on your own personal style, you could either go for the flat ankle boot or the high heel ankle boot. Personally, I love myself a good pair of high heel ankle boots because they just make your legs look longer and give your outfit that edge and make you look put together. Here's a styling tip for you guys. When you're wearing your boots and your jeans happen to be longer than your boots and overlap your boots, you could try taking the end of your jeans and folding it inwards or outwards. Both will look good, or you could simply just tuck your jeans inside your boot. The third fashion essential is a pair of hoop earrings. Personally, I love wearing hoop earrings and I pair them with almost all my outfits. They just give you that extra level of confidence when you're walking down the street. Hoop earrings have never gone out of style because they were as popular today as they were in the 60s and 90s. Hoop earrings are also so effortless because they're quick to put on and can take your outfit from 0 to 100 real quick. Hoop earrings have the ability to draw eyes to your face, so when you're walking down the street, everyone is going to be looking at you. Because they're circular shaped, they do have the ability to complement your cheekbones and your jaws. So you might want to forget that extra contour. You can almost never go wrong with hoop earrings because they're perfect for any and almost every occasion. I mean, even your favorite celebrities love wearing hoops. We can see Rihanna, Khloe Kardashian and even Jennifer Lopez rocking hoop earrings. The wonderful thing about hoops is that they come in different styles, shapes and sizes. So there's something for every girl. If you're not the type of girl that likes to wear those big, loud earrings, you could opt for the smaller ones. Or if you want to spice things up, then you could opt for the ones that come with designs. The fourth fashion essential is a white t-shirt. A white t-shirt may seem simple and boring, but it will definitely come in handy. With a white t-shirt, you have the ability to layer multiple things. A white t-shirt can be used in almost any look because it is simple and versatile. Personally, a white t-shirt comes in handy in my closet because I wear them to my castings with my jeans and they look great. If you want to know how I personally spice up my white t-shirt when I'm styling my clothing, you can watch this video over here. The fifth fashion essential is a leather jacket. And I know leather jackets can be pretty expensive, but trust me, it will be worth the coin and you won't regret it. Like all the items I've mentioned previously, leather jacket can be worn at any time of the day for different occasions. A leather jacket is a perfect go-to piece of outwear, whether you're going out with some friends or you have an event to attend. Leather jackets can either be worn with striped shirts, silk dresses, or t-shirts. Leather jackets go really well with black skinny jeans and would make a perfect outfit for hanging out with some friends, or you simply need to make a quick run to the mall. Styling your leather jacket with a white t-shirt, which I mentioned previously, a skirt and some casual sneakers also creates that perfect stylish look without making you look too formal. A leather jacket can also be worn with your little black dress, which will give you that extra kick if you're not trying to look too formal. The sixth fashion essential is a pair of white sneakers. Now everybody needs white sneakers to kick back during the week. White sneakers do give you that casual look, but they can also give you a semi-sophisticated look when paired with formal pieces. With that being said, I think white sneakers are a must to have in your closet. They go really well with almost anything. Skirts, jeans, leggings, and gym wear too. If you'd like to see how I personally styled my pair of white sneakers, you can check this video over here. Sometimes wearing white sneakers with your outfit make it look even better. White sneakers come with that style, comfort, and luxury that other sneakers don't. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys have any video ideas you'd like me to film, you can comment that down below. I also have a part 2 of this video, so if you'd like to see that, make sure you comment that down below. Don't forget to share this with your family, friends, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.